Ever wondered why your body suddenly goes hic all by itself, even when you are calm, quiet, and not doing anything strange? It usually starts with your diaphragm, a breathing muscle under your lungs, that suddenly tightens or jumps without any warning at all. That quick jump pulls air into your body super fast, then your throat snaps shut, and that makes the funny little hic sound. So a hiccup is really just a tiny body surprise, a little breathing glitch that feels weird, sounds funny, and is usually normal.